Bella. Retreat. Hey. Show me your tongue, Bella. Hey. Retreat. Bella. Bella, look at me. Hey. She wants to make sure she gets every single bit out. So, look at me. Show me your tongue. Yes. Bella and Dave are watching the Bruins beat the Canadians. Bella. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, give me that. Yeah. Bella, her nose is off today. Show me your tongue. Yes, you good girl. Bella, shake. Hey, shake. 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 She thinks she smells something else on the... Shake. 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 Stop showing me your tongue. Okay, you want your tongue? Bella, show me your tongue. Where's your tongue? Yes. Good girl. Bella, show me your tongue. Yes. Good girl. Bella, show me your tongue. Show me your tongue. Yes. Touch. Touch. Shake. Oh, show me your tongue. Bella, show me your tongue. Yes. Good girl. You said you smell good. She could do more, but she's on the couch, so it'll be a little difficult. Say, Bruins are gonna kick some Montreal butt.